Alright, let's crack open one of the most basic and honestly most important concepts in crypto spot trading. Picture this. You're at a farmer's market and you want to buy some apples. You hand over cash and you get apples right away. Simple, right? That's basically what spot trading is, but instead of apples, you're buying crypto. So spot trading means you're buying or selling a cryptocurrency at its current price, and here's the key part, you get it instantly. The spot price is just the price for immediate delivery, no waiting around it. You pay, you own it, you can move it to your wallet, trade it, or just let it sit. It's all yours. Now, why do people love spot trading? First, simplicity. There aren't any contracts or borrowing or weird fees, just you, some crypto, and a fair price. If you're totally new, spot trading is hands down the easiest way to get started. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. You open up your favorite crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance. You check the current price, let's say it's $50,000. You decide you want to buy $100 worth. You place a spot order and boom, you get about 0.002 Bitcoin right in your account, no fuss. But here's what spot trading is not. It's not margin trading, where you borrow money to try to make bigger bets. It's not futures, where you're making deals for future prices and delivery. With spot, you're buying or selling what you can afford right now. No leverage, no loans, no crazy risk. Unless, of course, the price of your crypto crashes. So yeah, still be careful. Okay, so how do you actually do it? First, pick a reputable exchange, make sure it's safe and has good reviews. Create an account, link your bank or card and deposit funds. Then, find the crypto you want, enter how much you want to buy or sell, and confirm. That's it. The crypto shows up in your account and you're done. One last thing, don't forget. With spot trading, if your exchange lets you withdraw, you can move your coins to a private wallet. That puts you in full control. Not your keys, not your coins, right? So, in a nutshell, spot trading is buying or selling crypto at the current price for immediate delivery with your own money. It's simple, fast, and the perfect place to start your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, tap that like and let me know in the comments what other crypto basics you want me to break down next.